Hi, so Terry, I'm gonna do a video response because I don't want to have to do 100 tweets to try and type this all out. I don't think that you're a bad guy per se. I think maybe you're just not very informed, and that's okay. I remember when I first heard about veganism, I had a bunch of questions, and some of them, if I had asked some vegans about them, they might have been really hateful or thought I was crazy or really stupid or silly. For instance, when I became vegan, I thought it should be kept a secret because how in the world could we produce enough plants or have the room to grow enough plants to feed all of the vegan people? Obviously, I was provided studies and I had an open mind and I considered those things, and I realized that not only was it possible to grow all of the plants that were needed to feed humans, but we would actually gain space back from the rainforest since we're using so much of it for plants for livestock, far more than what we would need to feed humans alone. So I gave you sources. You said they weren't very scientific, so I added a scientific source onto there. And I don't know if you've read it yet. Hopefully, you consider it. But I just think you need to come into this with a bit more open mind when discussing these things, because I mean, no matter what way you look at it, veganism is the answer. Uh, it. Hang on, I think I sat in an ant bed. Okay, sorry. I mean, because if if you don't care about the animals, because it seems that you think the animals aren't as smart as humans or whatever. If you don't care about the animals, do you at least care about other humans? Because that would be what would make sense for other humans to save the environment, to have more or to have more water, to feed more people. It would just be better for the environment in general. And there are sources, yes, that I can cite you for that. And if you don't care about other people, do you care about yourself? Because on the health aspect of it, the egg industry can't even advertise legally that their eggs are nutritious or healthful in any way, because they're not. The dairy industry, I recently posted a very scientific article, because I know you like science, a very scientific article that quoted over 50 other studies that showed basically why dairy is poison. And then as far as meat goes, with saturated fat and cholesterol being the causes of some of our number one killers of humans, meat is probably not such a good thing to be eating either. So if you don't care about animals, and you don't care about other people, and you care about yourself, that would still be a reason to go vegan, you know? And I'm sure you have other questions, and I'm willing to answer any questions you have or provide any resources that you think that you might need. And I'm sorry if this is kind of messy and all over the place. I'm not a professional speaker. I just didn't want to type this all out in 100 different tweets. So, I don't know. Peace to you.